Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, January 27, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, January 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 27, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, January 27, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 48 million pesos for January 27, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, January 27, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.